Okay. Now we're going to look at a couple other potential proofs of triangles. Um, we tried side, 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 side angle, side. Let's try one. Let's see if we can get congruent triangles if we have all congruent angles. So let's try AAA or angle, angle, angle. Let's see if that works. All right. Back to GeoGebra. And we can go ahead and just use a regular polygon to, or not regular, a generic polygon, I guess I could say. The first polygon, create a triangle. And whatever shape we want. Okay. All right. We're going to be copying angles. So first let's go to this angle here, the top one, and let's label or get a measurement on the angles inside of our polygon. So now we got those, right? And we're going to copy these to make another triangle. So let's just start with a side. Okay, we're not going to copy any sides, so let's use regular segment. But it's over here. Any length, something like that. Okay, and we're going to attach these angles to the end of this segment. Okay, so this segment isn't a copy of any of our sides. It's just a random length here. And let's copy an angle. So we're going to use angle of given size. And to do that, I'm gonna put the angle here. So I'm gonna start with a leg point here, E. This is gonna be my vertex. And so you ask me, how big do I want that angle? Well, I don't want to copy that exact measurement. I want to copy what this angle is labeled. And if you can see that there, that is angle alpha. Okay. In order to access that, I need to delete this out. I need to click on this button right here, which is going to bring up a menu of Greek letters. And it's going to be that first one. It's going to be that alpha. So that's the one that we want to copy. And we want to open counterclockwise for this one. Okay, so we'll hit OK. And what that does, you can see that basically it took that point E and it rotated it at that particular angle, and it gave us another point. So this E point doesn't really mean anything in terms of what our triangle, it's just giving us a reference point for our angle. And to help us out, we're going to connect that with a ray. So we go down here to ray. I'm going to click on D as my endpoint, and then click on E. Right? And so now I've got a copied angle here. I want to copy angle beta too, so let's do that. We're going to do that kind of in the reverse order here. So angle of given size, I'm going to click on D first, then E. I'm going to switch this to clockwise because I want to rotate the other way. Delete out that size. And again, I want to copy this angle here, angle beta. So I'm going to open that up, click on beta. Click OK, and what that does is that gives me D prime here. Okay, so I'm again going to go to array, connect that to that point there. Okay, all right. I've basically got a triangle now made from those angles. I want to intersect that point here. That's a little close to that. I'm going to move this over a little bit. You can see that as I change the angles, those two angles change as well. Okay, I'm going to intersect those two rays. Okay. And now I don't need those rays anymore. I've got all through my points. So I'm going to hide them. Hide that ray. Hide that ray. I don't need that point anymore. I'm going to hide that point. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect these with segments. There we go. And what do we notice about our triangle? Well, they look similar. Gee, I mean, the angles are all the same. And just to clarify that top angle, if I go to angle here and just click on D, F, and E, I can verify that, yep, all three angles are the same, but Gosh, do we get the same triangle? It looks similar. They look like they're the same shape, but they're definitely not the same size. And that's the problem with angle, angle, angle. We're not getting the same size triangles. We're just getting the same shape. So really can't use that as a proof of congruence. Okay. We're going to go ahead and clip a copy of that onto our page here somewhere. Yeah. There we go. This will just illustrate why angle, angle, angle is not going to work as a proof. Okay, we can get the same shape but not the same size. Go ahead and answer our questions 5 and 6, and then move on to the next video for angle, side, side.